Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Custom Panel Van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance package here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Guardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no trees-up, acidity or rain will affect its silver paint for time to come. This specific exemplar comes in limited trim and it's fitted with LED daytime running lights and a high-intensity discharge beam, chrome trim over the front grille, color-coded bumpers fitted with both fog lights and parking sensors. Then you also have 16 inches alloys and color-coded power fold mirrors. Over to the rear, we have a barn-style opening door, parking sensors and a rear view camera. While going over to the curbside, you can find the usual sliding door and the fuel flap for diesel and AdBlue. Let's take a look at the cargo bay. As soon as you open the barn-style door, you can see you have a full wood ply lining over the side panels and the doors. Box wheel arch housings to get you an even shape over the cargo bay. A full metal bulkhead fitted with a load-through hatch at the lower side. And then you have an extensive 132 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 140 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof being the center rib, and then 250 centimeters of fully usable space over the floor. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat, fitted with an armrest, and you have a picnic table in the middle seat. Over the glove box, you have a 2-liter bottle holder and some more storage space. And you have a 12-volt and a USB Type-A port right in front of the driver. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks over the dashboard and a digital trip computer. The left stalk is for the indicators and the high beam. Over the left spoke you have the cruise control and infotainment commands. Over to the right you have the wiper stalk, and then on the spoke you have the infotainment and trip computer controls. The steering wheel column can be adjusted in height. And then over to the right you have the lighting dial plus the buttons for the front and rear fog lights, a dial to adjust the height of the beam. As you can notice, the vehicle is also fitted with automatic headlights, and then you also have the controls to dim the cabin lighting. Over the armrest, you have the power fold mirrors and power window control, and then the center locking unit over the door handle. The infotainment unit is a Ford Sync 4 Connect unit, fitted with Android Auto and Apple Carplay through the USB cable, but also Bluetooth capability and Wi-Fi connection. The radio is obviously DAB. And as I mentioned before, the vehicle is also fitted with a rear view camera with dynamic trajectory visible on the screen, and also real-time feedback for the front and rear parking sensors. Underneath you have the air conditioning controls, plus the heated mirrors and front heated seats, which are 3 stages, and then you have the quick clear heated windshield. And this vehicle is fitted with an automatic transmission with Tiptronic function. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Custom. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.